Hey guys, this one is just a little preview of what we're going to build. We've been building several things with React, and now it's time to build a similar thing with Angular, but you will see that we have some things that are different. That is how we're going to handle the tags. We have these little tags, and we can add them and we can delete them. Okay, we can select multiple. So yeah, let's test this. So let's say new post. This is a new post. Choose file. It opens on my other screen, so I'm going to get this one. We can add some tags. Let's add, these ones are coming from Firebase, of course. Let's say live. Why not? Only one. I'm just going to add only one. I'm going to click submit. You will see that we get this processing request with this little loader and the percentage. So if I open the console, you will see what's going on. If that wants to open, okay. Okay, you can see the percentage that is coming from the service, the uploading system that Firebase provides us for the files. So once this is finished, we're going to be redirected to the main page. So you could redirect to the post that is just created. Okay, so we have this one. It opens. Okay, we get all this from Firebase. We get this. So if we decide to add some tags, let's add movies and sports and submit. Okay, we get those tags and we can edit this, and we can add the last one, or we can just try to delete these ones. I'm going to do this because if you select something, it remains selected. That's just how those inputs work. Okay, so let's say delete live and movies, the ones, no, yeah, those two. Let's click submit. We get redirected, and you can see that we only have sports added. So let me close this. You will see how this one works again with Firebase, Angular 8, Rxjs, promises to resolve the responses that are coming from Firebase, and to send the observables for the functionality we have. So yeah, this should be a pretty nice tutorial for you to understand Rxjs and to work with a little bit more intermediate things, okay, that just fetching and uploading files inside Firebase. So yeah, that is what we're going to build, and I hope you like the video and enjoy the tutorial, and yeah, see you on the next one.